Okay.
Today we're going to chop and copy and scan this book. The first step that I would suggest doing is taking off the back of the cover by just ripping it off. Then you take and you raise up this bar that's down here, the gray bar, and you will place the book under the blade. You may want to come on this side so you can see where this is lined up. So you're going to line this up. The blade's going to come. You might want to check it with the blade a little bit. So I'm kind of just lining it up to where I think the margin is gonna cut through the glue. It's gonna cut through the glue here, but not cut off any of the words.
Okay.
And then I'm going to lower this down to hold it in place. Move this reading guide here. Lock it up. And then you might want to put it over here just to see where this lock is. So click the lock here, move the bar, and then we just simply pull this down.
Hello. I'm good. Hi, Tom. Tom is one of our favorite volunteers. Awesome.
And it's cut. And you open it up again. And you've got yourself a cleanly cut book. Just for this video, we're just gonna do one chapter. So let me get one chapter here out. So I've got my chapter that I'm going to be doing, and then I'm going to put this front ways, the front and the back here, in the high-speed scanner, and then go over to the computer. On the computer, I'm going to open up the scanning software.
And this is an Epson GT S50 high-speed scanner.
So then I set that it's double-sided. So now what we're going to do is make sure that it's double-sided as the document source. And then we're just going to click scan. I want it to be a PDF file here. And then I want to save it to the desktop. And then I'm going to click OK, and the high-speed scanner will start working.
And this scanner scans two sides at once.
And there it is. It's done. So now we'll close these off and we'll open up Kurzweil. So this is Kurzweil. It's opened up right now. I'm going to hit open to open a file, and then I'm going to locate that file on the desktop. So I click the desktop, and then I find the file that I scanned, which is right here. And then I click open. And now, right now, what's happening is Kurzweil is going through and flipping all of the pages and getting it ready to be read. So now the document is finished processing, and I'm going to click on File here, and now we're going to convert it into an audio file. So go File, Audio Files, create audio file. I would like to do the entire document in a WAV file. I'm going to name it here the name of the book or the essay. I'm going to set the voice preference and then the speed, and then I'm going to click OK, and it will start processing the audio. After that is complete, which I believe it is, you'll have an audiobook. Alright, so to add the file to iTunes, you grab the file and you drag it into the iTunes. And that will add it. And there's our file.
The long way to safety. Early this summer, I paid $4,500 for a horse. He's beautiful, a quarter horse gelding nearly 17 hands high, the grandson of the nationally famous.
And that's your As an alternative, students could use the Kurzweil system to just listen to the text and hear it and watch as it's being read. And for that, you would just open up Kurzweil and then press read.
The long way to safety. Early this summer, I paid $4,500 for a horse. He's beautiful, a quarter horse gelding nearly 17 hands high, the grandson of the
And that's how you would use Kurzweil.